You are now in the spirit.
I'm supposed to be the host director, at the same time chairing this function. Nonetheless, I am told if they ask you to be a chief and you refuse, you will not even get a linguist. So on that note, I have accepted to be in the chair for this important function. Thank you very much.
Is the clapping for me?
Key to your success. We foster a culture of collaboration where students support and learn from each other. Our teachers and staff from all participating schools are always available. You are the inventors, you are the innovators, problem solvers, and leaders of tomorrow. Embrace this journey with enthusiasm and determination. Your effort today will pave the way for a brighter and more advanced future. To all our esteemed teachers, thank you for your dedication. Together, let us build a legacy of excellence in engineering education. Thank you for your attention, and may we all continue to work towards developing engineers of tomorrow. God bless you, and God bless our schools. Thank you.
Of Great Volta University, Sparkle. Please, you can do better.
Say, Lord, you are my everything. I call you Zah, you're my provider. I call you Nisi, you are my banner. I call you Rapper, you are my healer. Say, Lord, you are my everything. I call you Zah, you're my provider.
So, musical salute. 3, 2,
Shall we rise? I used to say that I knew how to do almost everything, but this one, I'm sorry, please clap for them. Oh, you can show much love. This is the great Sparkle Naval Cadet.
Thank you so much, Sparkle Choir.